Today, we're going to remove the steering column bearings and install new bearings. I'm actually excited to see what those bearings look like. If you've been following me, you know this bike has 80,000 miles on it and they've never been changed. I haven't had any problems with them. Everything is tight, no issues, but I figure if doing all this work and for the money, it's best to do it now. All right, let's get on this. So I'm just using some paper towel with paint thinner soaked on it just to clean out this area here and get rid of all this old grease. There we go, nice and clean now. So we removed the old bearings and the races. These are Timken bearings, So I don't know if they've been replaced at one point. They might have been, unless stock is Timken. Not sure. But there's a little bit of wear on there. All right, we can get rid of this stuff. We don't need this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit the inside of this with some sandpaper, just clean it up a little bit. That's where the forks go. Just gonna use some 320. You want to tighten it just enough to where there's no play in these bearings. Anything more than that, you're going to cause damage to the bearings. See right there, I can feel play in the steering column. So we're just going to tighten it a little bit until that play is gone. We won't be able to check this play until this assembly is back together with the forks and the tire. Before I take this off, I'm going to go ahead and just mark it so I can put it back the way it was. Well, we got this done. I think the hardest part was taking out that last bearing that's actually on the bottom half of this. I ended up cutting it with my little Dremel. I took the punch and I spread out that cut, and then I was able to get it off fairly easy after that. I won't be able to test it until I get this together, like I said, and we'll see how good I am. I don't know. You want to continue with the next video, click on the top right hand corner. If not, God bless, and we'll catch you later. I really am worried. whether or not I'm gonna get this back together. All right, see you later.